One of the nicest things that can happen this time of year is to receive Christmas cards from your friends. Our gang would like to present their cards and through them share some of their memorable moments. All right, everybody. Here's a card from Peter Pan. It says that you can fly. So let's all take a happy thought and give it a bit of a try.
Say, that's it. You think of a wonderful thought.
Any happy little thoughts?
Uh-huh.
Like toys at Christmas, sleigh bells, snow?
Yep. Watch me now. Here I go. It's easier than fly.
He can fly. He can fly. He flew.
Now you try.
I'll think of a mermaid lagoon. Underneath a magic moon. I'll think I'm in a pirate's cave. I think I'll be an Indian brave.
Now everybody try. 1, 2, 3. Come on, everybody. Here we go. Up to Neverland.
Think of a wonderful thought, any merry little thought. Think of Christmas, think of snow, think of sleigh bells, off you go like reindeer in the sky. You can fly, you can fly, you can fly.
Think of the happiest thing, it's the same as having wings.
Take the path that moonbeams make.
If the moon is still awake, you'll see him wink his eye.
You can fly, you can fly, you can fly. You go with a high and ho to the stars beyond the blue. There's a Neverland waiting for you, where all your happy dreams come true. Every dream that you dream will come true.
Come on, Santa.
When there's a smile in your heart, there's no better time to start. Think of all the joy you'll find
When you leave the world behind
and bid your cares goodbye. You can fly, you can fly, you can fly, you can fly, you can fly.
There it is, Wendy. Second star to the right and straight on till morning.
When there's a smile in your heart, there's no better time to start.
Think of all the joy you'll find when you leave the world behind.
And bid your cares goodbye.